guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to customize text cursor size, thickness, color on your Windows 11. So for this guys, first of all you need to open your Windows 11 settings. So press Windows key button. From here you can get the option settings. Just click and open the Windows 11 settings. In the settings guys, on the left panel you can get the option accessibility. Just click and open it, and here in the right panel you can get the option text cursor. Just click and open it. Okay, first of all you need to enable this option text cursor indicator. Just you want to enable this option, and here you can easily customize the text cursor size with the help of this scale. As you can see, if you want to change the text cursor color, from here you can get the color option. As you can see, from here you can easily select the text cursor color and just scroll down, and here you can get the text cursor thickness. From here you can easily control that thickness. As you can see, from here guys you can easily customize your text cursor size, color, thickness, everything on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.